So today we're going to be taking a look at the NZXT H510. This is a full ATX sized case, so this can also fit Micro ATX and Mini ITX. I'm just going to go ahead and review the specs off the side of the box because I cannot remember them. So for front I/O, you have a USB 3.1 Type A and a USB 3.1 Gen 2 USB Type-C connector. We'll see those in a minute. Tempered glass window, some cable routing stuff. For dimensions, it's 210 millimeters wide, 460 millimeters high, and a depth of 428 millimeters. It is a steel case, 6.6 kilograms. As I mentioned before, Mini ITX, Micro ATX, and ATX support. There's also, for front I/O port, there's also your headset, your audio. CPU cooler clearance is up to 165 millimeters. GPU clearance 381. Yeah, for the most part, that's it. Front cooling fans, you can have two 120 or two 140. Top 120 or 140, rear 120. And then we'll take a look at the different bays and expansion slots. Let's just go ahead and get this out. Oh, it's easy as that. Okay, now that we got those out of the case, let's actually, or out of the box, go ahead and take a look at the actual case. Two pieces of styrofoam, very typical, and then some plastic wrapping to go around it. Now this case comes in 3 or 4 different colors, I think. This is the white and black version. There's also a red and black, a full black. I think there might be a black and blue, I think. So a pretty wide range of color choices. Let's put the styrofoam in there. Let's go ahead and turn this around so you can see the tempered glass side panel. As you can see, very nice looking. It comes pre-installed with, I think these are 120 millimeters fans. I'm not sure about that though. There's one at the top here, one here on the back. Yeah, as you can see here, for front I/O, we have our power button, USB 3.1, USB 3.1 Gen 2. This is a Type-C port, and then headset audio. Yeah, let's go ahead and take the side panel off. Alright, so as you can see here, just one thumb screw. We're going to go ahead and take off the tempered glass side panel. Go ahead and unscrew that. And then this should just, simply pop off. Alright, so we have the internals of the case here. We have a little nice white metal sheet to help hide the cables and stuff like that. It does look like the standoffs are pre-installed for an ATX motherboard. Let's go ahead and turn this guy around. We're going to take off this back panel. I'm actually going to turn it here. So 2 more thumb screws for the back panel. Go ahead and undo these. And then we'll take a look at the drive bays, which should be back here. Alright, take the backside panel off. As you can see, some nice perforation here. The side panel lets some air in. Oh, and this does have a dust filter on it, which is nice. So as you can see, back here we have 2.5 drive bays. Looks like some cable routing here. Put your cables through here. Down here we have what looks like our case accessories, and then all of our front panel connectors bundled up down here. And nice thing about this is there's actually some, I don't know if you can see that, there's some Velcro straps here, which is nice for cable management. As you can see, these are, looks like 2 3.5 inch drive bays. Yeah, so your power supply would go down here. There's some nice, looks like this is a removable dust filter, if I can figure out how to remove it. So it looks like, oh yeah, so you just slide it off, here at the front. So this is a removable dust filter for your power supply. Yep, just slide that back in there. Let's go ahead and take a look what's in our accessories kit here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So looks like some screws. We got some screws. We gotta go ahead and open this actually. We got a little splitter for our headphone jack. Looks like headphone and microphone splitter. Got some zip ties. Front panel connector stuff. Some standoffs. Some screws. Yeah, so the most part, pretty typical. Have a user manual, user guide here for different standoffs, different screws, and where to put them. But for the most part, I think that is everything. Thank you all for checking out my little unboxing of the NZXT H510, I think this was, H510. Yeah, we're going to say it was the H510. Hope you all enjoyed. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you all later.